We all enjoy reading books, but have you ever considered writing one yourself? What's holding you back from turning your ideas, experiences, or passions into a published work? In this video, we'll explore why you should take the leap from reader to author. Welcome back to our channel, where we inspire you to take action and live your creative potential. Today, we'll talk about why you should write a book instead of just reading them. While reading is a powerful way to expand your knowledge and understanding, writing a book can be truly transformative. It allows you to share your unique voice and ideas with the world, creating a lasting impact. By writing, you not only express your creativity, but also contribute to the literary landscape in a meaningful way. Let's talk about the benefits of reading. Reading is undoubtedly a powerful tool for personal growth and development. It expands our horizons, introduces us to diverse perspectives, and helps us develop essential skills like creativity, language proficiency, and critical thinking. Through reading, we gain a deeper understanding of the world and ourselves. However, what if we could take this knowledge and experience one step further? If you've read dozens of books, you already possess the tools to create your own story. Writing allows you to harness the lessons you've learned from reading and apply them in a unique and meaningful way. By transitioning from avid reader to author, you can share your own insights, experiences, and ideas with the world. Writing is not just about putting words on a page, it's about leaving a lasting impact and contributing to the literary landscape in a way that only you can. Let's talk about why you should write a book. The joy of creation. One of the most rewarding aspects of writing a book is the sheer joy of creation. As an author, you have the power to bring your own ideas, stories, and experiences to life on the page. It's an incredible feeling to craft something that is entirely yours, a work that reflects your unique voice and vision. Sharing your voice with the world. Writing a book also provides an opportunity to share your personal perspective with others. We all have unique experiences, insights, and opinions that deserve to be heard. By putting pen to paper or fingers to keyboard, you can express your voice and share it with the world. Your book has the potential to inspire, educate, or entertain readers, leaving a lasting impact on their lives. Whether you aspire to write a novel, a memoir, or a non-fiction work, the act of writing itself is a powerful form of self-expression and creativity. It allows you to leave your mark on the world and contribute to the rich tapestry of literature. In this part, we will talk about some debunking writing myths. The first myth is writing is only for professionals. One common myth is that writing is only for professionals or experienced authors. This notion can be incredibly discouraging for aspiring writers. The truth is, you don't need to be a professional to write a book. Many of the greatest authors started as amateurs, learning and growing through their writing journeys. Everyone has a story to tell, and your unique voice deserves to be heard. Second myth is writing a book is too hard. Another myth is that writing a book is too hard or overwhelming. While it may seem daunting at first, the process can be made approachable by breaking it down into small, manageable steps. Writing a book is simply a series of smaller tasks, like outlining, drafting, and revising. With patience and determination, anyone can navigate this journey. Remember, every great book started with a single word. Embrace the process, and you'll find that writing is within your reach. Let's know about how to get started. Identify your purpose. The first step in your writing journey is to identify your purpose. Why do you want to write? Are you passionate about sharing knowledge, telling a compelling story, or making a positive impact? Understanding your why will not only motivate you, but also guide you through the writing process. This clarity will help you stay focused and committed as you navigate the challenges of writing. Start with an outline. Once you've defined your purpose, it's time to start structuring your ideas. Creating an outline is an effective way to map out the key points or plot of your book. An outline helps you organize your thoughts, ensuring that your writing has a clear direction and flow. Break your book into sections or chapters, and jot down the main ideas you want to cover. This foundational step will make the writing process smoother and more manageable, setting you up for success. Let's talk about overcoming writer's block. Common challenges in writing. Many aspiring writers face common challenges like self-doubt, perfectionism, and fear of failure, which can lead to writer's block. These obstacles can feel overwhelming, but they are not insurmountable. Practical tips for getting unstuck. To overcome these hurdles, try setting small, achievable writing goals. Even writing a page a day can lead to significant progress over time. Additionally, establish a daily writing routine to build consistency. Remember, your first draft doesn't have to be perfect. Embrace imperfection and allow yourself to write freely. This mindset will help you break through writer's block and keep moving forward. Finding inspiration. Inspiration can come from anywhere: your own life experiences, conversations with others, or the books you've read. Pay attention to the world around you, and you'll find endless ideas waiting to be explored. Observe the people, places, and stories that captivate you, and let them ignite your creativity. Developing ideas into stories. Once you have a spark of inspiration, nurture it by asking questions like, "What if?" or "How could this story unfold?" Allow your imagination to lead the way as you develop your ideas into full-fledged stories or concepts for your book. Embrace the creative process and let your unique voice shine through. Some benefits of writing a book. Personal growth. Writing a book is a journey of personal growth that challenges you intellectually and emotionally. As you organize your thoughts, express yourself clearly, and persevere through challenges, you'll develop new skills and gain valuable insights about yourself. The writing process encourages self-reflection, allowing you to explore your passions, values, and perspectives in depth. This personal growth not only enhances your writing, but also enriches your life experiences. Legacy and impact. Books have the power to change lives, and when you write, you create something that could inspire someone long after you're gone. Your words have the potential to educate, entertain, or uplift readers, leaving a lasting legacy. Even if your book reaches just a few people, the impact it has on them can ripple outward, creating a positive change in the world. Writing allows you to share your unique voice and ideas, contributing to the ongoing dialogue that shapes our society and culture. Traditional publishing versus self-publishing. When it comes to publishing your book, you have two main paths to choose from: traditional publishing and self-publishing. While traditional publishing involves securing a book deal with a publishing house, self-publishing allows you to take control of the entire process. With self-publishing, you can bring your book to life on platforms like Amazon or Kindle without waiting for a publisher's approval. Both options are viable and have their own advantages, so choose the one that best aligns with your goals and preferences as an author. Steps to publish your book. Regardless of whether you choose traditional or self-publishing, there are several key steps involved in bringing your book to life. Edit your manuscript to ensure it's polished and error-free. Design an eye-catching book cover that reflects the content and genre. Format your book for various platforms and devices. Publish your book on platforms like Amazon, Barnes & Noble, or your own website. Market your book through social media, book reviews, and author events to reach your target audience. By following these steps and staying committed to your craft, you can successfully navigate the publishing process and share your unique voice with the world. Writing for passion versus writing for success. Write for the love of it. When it comes to writing, it's essential to focus on your passion rather than solely pursuing fame or monetary success. While writing can certainly lead to recognition and financial rewards, the true joy lies in the creative process itself. Write because you love it, because it brings you fulfillment and allows you to express your thoughts and emotions. When you prioritize your passion, success often follows as a natural byproduct of your dedication and authenticity. Balancing creativity and strategy. That said, it's also important to balance your creative freedom with practical goals. You can write from the heart while considering your audience's needs and preferences. The key is to find a harmonious blend between passion and strategy. By understanding your audience and crafting your work with intention, you can create compelling content that resonates with readers while staying true to your unique voice and vision. This balance will help you thrive as a writer in both creative and commercial aspects. So, why just read books when you can write one? I challenge you to take the first step toward writing your own book today. Start by putting pen to paper. Your story is waiting to be told, and only you can bring it to life. I want to hear from you. What's the book you've always wanted to write? Share your ideas in the comments below, and let's inspire each other on this creative journey. And don't forget to subscribe for more tips and inspiration to help you unleash your writing potential. Remember, the world is full of stories, but yours is the one that only you can tell. Don't let your unique voice go unheard. Why just read when you can write the book that will inspire others? Take action today and start your writing adventure.